Number 46. The ministering spirits in the super-universe. As the Supranaphim are the angelic hosts of the central universe and the Seraphim of the local universes, so are the Seconaphim, the ministering spirits of the super-universe. In degree of divinity and in potential of supremacy, however, these children of the reflective spirits are much more like Supranaphim than Seraphim. The ministering spirits of the super-universes embrace following three orders. Number 1, the Seconaphim. Number 2, the Tertiaphim. Number 3, the Omniaphim. The latter two orders are not so directly concerned with the ascendant scheme of motor progressions. Number 1, the Tertiaphim. These high angels of record on the super-universe headquarters, and despite service in the local creations, technically they are residents of these super-universe capitals inasmuch as they are not native to the local universes. Throughout the early times of universe building, 1,000 Tertiaphim are the only personal staff of a Creator Son. They acquire a mighty experience as Sun assistants during these stirring ages of universe assembling and other astronomical manipulations. Number 2, the Omniaphim. Omniaphim are created by Infinite Spirit in liaison with the 7 Supreme Executives, and they are the exclusive servants and messengers of these same Supreme Executives. Omniaphim are of Grand Universe assignment, and in Orvonton their course maintains headquarters in the northerly part of Uversa, where they reside as a special Curtis colony. They are not of registry on Uversa, nor are they attached to our administrations. Neither are they directly concerned with this ascendant scheme of motor progressions. The Omniaphim are wholly occupied with the oversight of universes in the interest of administrative coordination from the viewpoint of the 7 Supreme Executives. Our colony of Omniaphim on Uversa receives instruction from and makes reports to only the Supreme Executive of Orvonton, situated on conjoint executive sphere number 7 in the outer ring of Paradise satellites. Number 3, the Seconaphim. The Seconaphic hosts are produced by the 7 reflective spirits assigned to the headquarters of each super-universe. There is a definite Paradise responsive technique associated with this creation of these angels in groups of 7. In each 7, there are always 1 primary, 3 secondary, and 3 tertiary Seconaphim. They always personalize in these exact proportions. When 7 such Seconaphim are created, 1, the primary, becomes attached to the service of Ancient of Days. The 3 secondary angels are associated with 3 groups of Paradise origin administrators in the super governments, the divine counselors, the perfecters of wisdom, and the universal censors. The 3 tertiary angels are attached to the ascendant trinitized associates of the super-universe rulers, the mighty messengers, those high in authority, and those without name and number. These Seconaphim of the super-universes are the offspring of the reflective spirits, and therefore reflectivity is inherent in their nature. They are reflectively responsive to all of each page of every creature of origin in the third source and center, and the Paradise Creator Sons, but they are not directly reflective of the beings and entities, personal or otherwise, of soul origin in the first source and center.